Hey guys, so today, as you can see, I got this for it's Poopsie Slime Surprise, and I got it for Christmas. So yeah, let's open it and open these. So the first one that was popping out was this one. So I think this is like lip balm, is it? Or is it the case? I think it's the case. Wait, is it in that? Yeah, it's the case. So if we put that back in there somehow. Okay, so let's just going to do that. Okay, so I'm going to make a row of the items. So now I got next. That's long. I think that's the last capsule. No, there's that. And there's some instructions. Okay, so let's just open this. Okay, first before I open that, I open this. It says Unicorn Bling. Okay, so I'm not quite sure what it is exactly. I'm trying to figure it out. Oh my gosh, it's like this stuff. Will you use that? Okay, that's just stuck to my fingers, literally. That is stuck to my fingers. Right, I'm not liking that so far. Yeah. Okay, that was messy. I think this is the slime one. So, has a little cup opening here. Oh, there it is. Okay, that's. It says Fanta instead of Fanta. It's a cup. Right. It says to open this. I don't think there's anything inside it. I don't think there's slime here. I'm not sure, guys. If you've had one of these before, let me know. Because I'm not sure how to work these, because this is my first one of these ever. It's really hard to open it. Okay. gonna put all of the stuff that I've got so far. Okay. I'm guessing it's a purple thing because all of these things are literally purple. So I'm expecting this thing to be purple. Okay. So surprisingly it should have a lead. But that one doesn't. So I think so that's unicorn food. I'm not sure where to put that. But now that's something. It doesn't say. And then we have unicorn magic. The letters are probably backwards on this thing, yeah. So let's open the unicorn magic. Whoa, that's powdery. That's really powdery. I'm just gonna let that. Just gonna keep that on there. Okay, this one's really powdery as well. Okay. Okay. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, so it's like a super scoop, I guess. You know, you can at the top. And then no lightning on the bottom. So now let's open this. I think this is the last one. I'm not quite sure what this one is. Open this one. Oh, okay, just now.
Quick then.
Hi.
That's one when you guys are off the computer. Take you out for a drive.
Are you allowed to take me out for a drive?
I'll do you another day. I was going to do your brother today. And then we'll get you on a warmer day and I've got the roof down for you, okay? Alright. Today's not a good day.
Okay, so still trying to do this. It's really hard. Wait, just try and open it to see. It'll open now. I'm confused with how this is supposed to come off. Okay, I think I got it. I've never had this stuff before. Ever. Oh. Okay, I'm not sure what this is exactly. Is this like their drink? Tell me in the comments below if you can. Or if the comments are turned off. Not sure. Well, anyway, I didn't get like literally anything with it. You're supposed to make the slime and put it in. But I'm gonna read what it says on it. So it says to grab this. Oh, so unicorn food
Yeah, it's got jolly, so hey,
and unicorn magic
I do what you want, sweet. I don't mind. I'm like.
and get this.
I got one from you, game.
Yeah. Don't go fast.
Well, we'll try not to.
Don't allow to go fast. You will. No, you will not. Don't get caught up in accidents.
Oh, no, you
It's all a different language.
Finding one of it will be English, sweetheart.
This one's Chinese.
I got dress check now.
No, don't worry about it. It's Christmas, you're not meant to get dressed.
What are you doing, Poppy?
Try
Oh
to
my
find
God.
the ink.
What's
Oh, here
this
you go,
now?
This side, look. This is it. Look on that side. That one.
Nils, what's this one from? Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute,
There
babe.
you go, look.
Oh no, it's something else.
That's the English bit there.
Unicorn food. Oh,
Oh.
oh.
No, the unicorn food, that's it. The unicorn's going to die now. It's Memory's fault.
What's? Do you need this?
Oh, possibly.
Yeah,
What's it for? What's it going to do?
I need to make this line somehow.
Oh, I see. Right, hang on. Right, do you want me to tip this on? Right, stand it there. You're not recording yet, are you?
I've started it like, it's been 13 minutes.
Hello. Kath, do you want a coffee? Or do you want a glass of wine?
Right, this is hard.
Make sure all that rubbish Nils goes in the bin. Oh, we need to take a bin back, sir.
I can't.
Oh, sorry, love. Sorry, love. Your throat.
Yeah, that's okay. It was just my
No,
toe.
no, okay. Bring.
Okay, this tells
See
you
you
how
later.
to make
Play
this line.
games. Oh, I just want to stay in now.
Do you know, it seems such a good idea, doesn't it, when you say, yeah! You know,
Well,
what about August? You think,
every Boxing Day, we've done it for years, but it's
It
like,
says open your bottle.
the thing is, Becky don't really work, so she has
I'm
nothing to
not
like
sure.
unwind about. You know what I mean? It's like, like so busy, like the run up to I'm not doing that.
well, yeah, especially being a hairdresser, it's like,
It's been manic, and then I had to, I don't normally work Christmas Eve, and I have this old, I had this old lady's head that I do, and she's like, you know, she's so freaking demanding. But you know what, I wouldn't mind.
The only thing that I admit,
She's so freaking knitted.
oh no guys, I'm gonna have to go on to
I
some
expected.
different,
But
I'll
I think
do
because I
it
kind
in
of
another
like,
video because right now
I think it goes above and
the
beyond
only
for her.
way.
I don't just do her hair.
I'm not sure what this is for, but I'm not gonna use it yet. I think I'm gonna cover that somehow, get some sellotape or something. I think, where's the unicorn
So she can just come and sit in her front room and
food?
just.
No clue. But anyway, let's just make it.
I've got an extra tenner.
yeah,
At least.
With some sellotape.
But yes, like you
So
said,
it doesn't
people like that.
feel
Yeah, I mean, obviously my work's a bit different in that it's the same amount of work what you actually get ridiculous stuff now.
Okay, so that's
I'm in tomorrow.
Did I just get a pod in there?
You've got two, so
tightened up.
I can say you've got 2 hours. So,
I just need to
so I've
find.
got Saturday, Sunday, and Tuesday, Wednesday off.
This is some of the food.
How we got together,
Mm.
so I'm doing that Saturday. So then I've got
Yeah.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, no plans.
Yeah.
David and everyone is working anyway. I think he's on half day for who knows. So I thought, well, if he's at work all day Monday, and that's when a friend wants to go and see Cat.
Can you
Tuesday, with another friend, and another friend.
can see that.
Lisa's calling you.
I'm going back, baby.
Is that dripping from up there?
What?
Is that dripping from up there now?
What drip?
Yeah, it's dripping.
Great.
Oh,
We've got leaks everywhere in this house. It's ridiculous. Look at see
that
it's
from the
soaking.
bathroom?
Yeah. Bloody ridiculous.
yeah, you know, it's something you just want to think, like, you've had, you're not doing it yet. Just spend a bit of time and not
Where's Steve going with Harry? Hang on.
everything else.
Around with his car.
Yeah, that's like
You better drive safer or I'll kill him.
stray.
I will kick
I'm
his
gonna
ass.
put it back in. I put all the stuff back in here because.
Are you recording? Are you recording? Why don't you tell me to shush?
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Don't post that because I just said I'd kill Uncle Dave. I don't mean really, do I?
It's like last year, 'cause it was wet like it is now.
I need to put that on the bottom of the.
Oh, to Becky's.
Yeah.
Are we walking tonight then?
I'm not walking, and it's going to
No,
be
I think
Woody's
I'm gonna-
house.
Yeah.
So, you know, if we walk, we're going to have to walk the main roadway now.
Who's driving your car there?
If you
Yeah, but
think
then still want to go and mess around.
you've done this before and you've done it right, and give it a thumbs down if you haven't done it and you haven't done it right. Just make sure I'm doing it right.
And I'm more likely to get like.
It is really hard.
Yeah.
Really hard.
It's like I have my work to do. And
This.
people that I work with is in the
Okay,
forest, so she was going to stay. The neighbour's going to run a
Anyway.
sofa, and then we were going to get taxi back. It's only
I
about
think
3
that's
miles from Bristol.
gonna be it
So,
for this video. Oh, and this. I'm just gonna get everything and see you guys tomorrow. By the way, I hope you
I'm going to get changed to a taxi home. Which
Yeah.
is like 2 minutes up the road. I said, I'd rather, you know.
Yeah, it's not.
It's not. I don't have to.
I do like a tour of like what I got for Christmas.
Normally end up being really nice.
So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go and subscribe to Flabbergastar. He's just got his own channel,
Yeah.
and I was in one of his videos, so make sure you go and subscribe to him because he's cool. Make sure you subscribe to me and give it a like. Yeah, turn the notification bell on. Hit the red button and then hit no, come up with the notification.
Virtually
So yeah, thanks guys for watching. See ya.